no? Mabisin kami launa yun. Ingkan na din Jakarta. Jakarta. Yay. Aja 4 points. Aja pagawitan minyo Jakarta. Hoy! This one 39,750,000. Milyonaryo na ako, guys. Parang yung dong at saka ano lang yung dong natin is 79 million, no? This one na 39 million. 100,000 yung pinakano nila, yung mataas na currency. Tapos ito 50,000 yung blue. Yan o, ito milyonarya na ako dito, guys. Ito ano to palit nito is $3,000. Ayan, ang palit nito is 39,500 ay 750. Yan. Daran, Indonesia. Punta kami Indonesia, Jakarta. Ayan. Daw na ayan o. Shirley working today.
I don't know. Very Sunday. The other day she said maybe, but Phoenix do it now. This place. Huh?
New home is
I don't know lah. Huh? We do talk about it, and then I say I all the time looking at Mr. Tan, not looking at. Because you know why? He's so chico using this one like that, taking the one the girl on stage singing when the favorite nice, but Jelutong not very good, still the same. Jelutong still the same. Come and push her back Hong Kong that day. Can you push me go there? No,
What do you mean push? Already. Selamat datang. Oh, Indonesia. Selamat datang. Yes. First time here. I went Badan Pasar. Visa on arrival. We arrived in Indonesia, Jakarta, Indonesia. You see Ellen, don't go out first. Where's Ellen, huh? There? Okay.
Okay, maybe.
Yan Jakarta. Hulas na hulas. Oh, ayan si auntie. Oh, Deren.
Bluebird ba?
Jakarta.
Yeah, I said like that.
Okay.
Unknown cool.
Touchdown Jakarta.
Happy, yeah. I see you very happy, yeah, coming here, like your home like that. Know which country you?
It's our first day.
We going to
Consider
Hong Kong
first
to
day.
see, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, start.
Chikadora.
Hopefully no typhoon again. We encounter the strongest
Because they
typhoon.
always
Welcome to
September,
Jakarta.
T10. I remember this one, the T10 last time. We cannot go out because of this strong winds.
Chikadora ni auntie.
As most
jauh tempat dari
in Southeast Asia.
tempat tinggal.
Last time we went to the biggest Buddha
Nggak
also.
terlalu jauh.
The biggest one?
Saya bilang.
Buddha.
Buddha.
Oh, oh, oh.
But, oh yeah,
They also near each other.
But they say maybe they fall.
Okay, there is the Four Points Hotel and
Your mother going, you know, going.
Yeah, your mom even going. I go for her. Your mom
okay,
happy.
not so bad the location leh.
Your mom
She
happy.
experienced
The plaza or down there got
Yeah,
plaza.
Going to Penang. Imagine your mom going to Penang.
Oh, this is the holiday.
Your mom
Holiday
going to
Inn
Penang.
Express.
Ah,
This is the one. And there on top.
like that lah. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, there.
The wire.
Yeah, Holiday Inn Express. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Yeah, I must take the name from outside here.
Yeah.
I cannot take from.
Okay, Holiday Inn.
No,
No,
lah,
no,
three
no,
star
3. Holiday Inn Express. Kami dyan ngayon. Napang kami tayo McDo. Ano eh?
Spicy chicken.
Ay, nakait mo ta. Adi, may dan na po na. Ay, mabisbisi nga talaga dyan kon.
133,000. Matala 51,000 na.
Ano eh? Oo.
Bakit na po yun?
Ay, duwag atangam.
Tagay sa ata.
Atoy. Ate kayo mo? Panas. To spicy ko na mo.
Ano pinagkaiba na yan? Tonasi.
Ha?
Tonasi aja may isa. Balikan mo.
Bag. O, yan na to.
Oh, too spicy with ano
French fries.
Too spicy.
Too spicy, medium.
Mga French fries.
Ato
Ano
ni?
yung French fries?
Too spicy. Panas. Too spicy, medium. Wadi mo, may isa lang. McDo. Ayan o. 100,000. 167,000 guys. Tapos yung Mariami dyan 200,000. Ayan o. Teren. McDo. Ito ni Antik ni. Ayan ni McDo. Mabisin kami launa yun. Ingkan. Ayan ni Jakarta. Jakarta. Ayan ni. Ayan ni 4 points. Ayan pagawidan mo nyo. Jakarta.
2,000 years later.
Gabi na guys, naghanap kami ng pagkain kay masakit ang tiyan ng aking alaga. Tutuloy kami nag-mall. Oh, lumabas kami tuloy yan. Sarina. Sarima pala. Oh? What's the way out? Oh, there. Maiyang nga magna. Ako natay. Ayan, doon kami nakatira. So, ayan. Yan yung 4 points. At saka doon, yun, yung may ilaw na yun. Doon kami. Sa likod lang.